everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm very excited to show off some of the new Love Shack Fancy X Pink items that I picked up. If you guys are excited to see how all those look like, make sure you subscribe before you get into the video, but without further ado, let's get into it. This is the massive box we are going to work through. First thing I got is this adorable tank top. It also has like gold hardware on all of the little pieces, which I'm more of a silver girly, but for this I will make the exception. And the little pink embroidery is kind of like shiny and metallic. It feels very lightweight. I also like how they did the cute little tag on everything. Has the Love Shack Fancy pink tab, so you know it's a part of the collection. And each item also has the little tag that has the pink X Love Shack Fancy. They are really trying to get you to understand what it is. I also like that this material is 100% cotton, so I'm really hoping it's just breathable, very smooth. It feels really lightweight, so let's go ahead and check it out. So stinking cute, and it's really comfortable. It's like a little tiniest bit stretchy enough where it's like it doesn't feel like I'm constricted in it, but it's also tight enough where it's like you can appreciate all of the little details, you know. These are the pants that kind of match with the top, so they are the fold over bottoms, which I love because I think they're super flattering and super comfy, and also they're very throwback. It also has the metallic pink embroidery. It just looks so dang adorable. The only thing I'm a little worried about is potentially this being kind of a thin material, which we're gonna check out. Let's go ahead and put both together and then see. This is what the bottoms look like. I threw this little hoodie over my shoulders because I'm like, why is this kind of a look? I like the bottoms. I just think they're a little transparent, so I don't love that, but it does look so good with the top. Like, it looks like this is like the best matching fit ever. So that does kind of suck a little bit. And I do feel like you'd have to just be careful with the types of bottoms that you wear with your bottoms, which is why it's annoying. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. Okay, so these are cutesy little like silk bottoms. Look at how cute this is. I just love it. And the print and the like material is so cute and nice. This all says Love Shack Fancy like over and over again. And I also love that it has kind of like the like boxer look, I guess, because it has this print. So if you wanted to like fold it over, you could have a cutesy little like interior print that's super cute. And then obviously it's got a little pink bow at the front because it's adjustable. The bottoms are super loose, which I love, and I also love this like lace detailing. It's so cute. The next thing I got is a super cute matching top. It also has the lace detailing. This is more of a cotton, whereas that feels more like a silky texture. So this is just perfect to like throw on under any comfy wear. And the back is a racerback. So yeah, it's just like super cozy. There's no like padding. That's gonna be super cozy. So let's go ahead and try that together. This is what this top and bottom are looking like. Very cute. They look like they're kind of different colors because this is like not silk material and this is. So that's the only interesting thing, but I feel like it is really cute together and I would definitely wear it like this. The other thing I love about these bottoms is the fact that they have pockets, because women's bottoms never have pockets, which is super frustrating. But yeah, this is the just pink skirt. It's like a fold over skirt. It does feel really hefty and like really nice material. I was a little worried it was gonna feel kind of like cheap just because a lot of their cotton materials are a lot lighter, but this feels like pretty heavy, which I like. And what's super cute about this is the back has this embroidered little like the pink dog, like their character, and then it has a little bow on it, which I thought was super cute. I also like how this has shorts, highly important for any skirt wearer. And yeah, I just think it'd be super cute. I didn't really want to get anything matching with it because I have a lot of like pink tops and like pink hoodies. So I'm just gonna style it myself. This is what the skirt is looking like. It's such a good height, I feel like. It feels like there's a lot of coverage. The shorts are always there. this is what the cute little back looks like. Like, it's such a cute little look, and it just feels like very comfortable to be in, which is kind of what you want when you're running errands, you know? And I paired it with this Acne zip up that I have that has a little bow on it because I thought it's kind of like the same aesthetic. I also got 2 of their packs, so I'm obviously not going to be trying these on, but I just wanted to show you how freaking adorable these are. It just says stuff like always wear pink and a bow is never a bad idea, pink is a neutral. I just feel like they look so cute. And I love how each of them has a little like rose on it because I feel like it just adds something special. This is what this shape looks like. You can kind of see what they all would look like on the back. And then I also bought this shape. So this also says stuff like a little bit dramatic, truly in love with myself, you know, main character energy, like just affirmations. I did have to finally purchase one of these dogs. I've always wanted a dog from Pink. I just haven't found the excuse to purchase one because I do feel like it's very extra, and like look how big it is, you know? I just feel like it's so cute to put anywhere like as a display piece, you know what I mean? I have a lot of knickknacks and a lot of like stuffed animals and stuff, and I just feel like it's like the perfect thing to accent any home. I also just wanted you to picture the fantasy that this dog is my accessory. Like imagine if I was just walking out and I was just like, yeah, this is me and my little gorgeous pink dog. It's so cute though. Look how big it is. So yeah, that was it for today's video, you guys. Are you guys planning on purchasing anything from the collection? Was there anything that you saw that you were like, I don't think so, or that you were like, yeah, that's cute? Let me know your guys' ideas and thoughts down below, and don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.